That's it, good girl. And that one. Okay, where's this, Grace? Where's the circle? Circle, that's it. And where's the square? Where's the square? Good girl. Okay, are you ready? Should we do numbers? Where's number 1? No. Number 1, Grace. Let's do number 3 instead. Okay. Number 1, yeah. Okay. Grace, number 1. That's it. Good girl. Turn it round. Oops. That's it. Good girl. Okay. Number 7. Number 7. That one. This one, number 7. Grace? Huh? Grace? Number 7. Number 7. Nearly. We'll let you off. You're nearly right. Okay. You're going to get number 10. Where's number 10? That's it. Good girl, even upside down. Okay. Number 4. Very good. That's it. Nearly. Turn it round. That's it. Good girl. Number 6. This one. Oh, you want to get number 9. Okay, get number 9 then. That one. Which one do you want to get? Grace, can you get me number 9, please? Number 9. 9, good girl. 9. That's it. 9.
Sounds like a little German officer. Heil Hitler, 9.
Ready? This one now, number 7. Yeah, I'm going to put it back. Come on. Yeah. You do it. You do it, cheeky bum. No. No? Oh, Papa. Yeah, Joey. Should we do this though? Let's finish off now. Here you go. I'm going to put number 7 in. Yeah. Okay, Mummy do it. Where's the hexagon? Where's the hexagon? Where's that one? Where's the hexagon? Very good. You do it. Okay, what's missing now then? Number 2. Can put number 2 in. Oh, you're going to drop it. Oh no!
Nearly got it. It's alright.
Oh no! Oh no, Grace. Grace, say oh no. You finished. Say oh no. You're going to put them back? Go on then. Oh no.
Excuse me. Grace? Grace? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye
Say
bye.
bye bye, Grace.
Bye bye.
Grace, waving. Waving. Bye bye. Waving. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Jagger. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.